Is your metal garage door looking a bit worse for wear? Fresh paint can do wonders, but choosing the right paint is crucial to ensure a long-lasting finish. Let's dive into what kind of paint to use on metal garage doors. First things first. Always start with a high-quality primer specifically designed for metal. A primer not only helps the paint adhere better, but also protects the metal from rust and corrosion. When it comes to the top coat, use an exterior-grade paint that's formulated for metal surfaces. Latex-based or oil-based paints are your best bet. Latex paints are easier to work with and clean up, while oil-based paints offer superior durability. For a sleek and resilient finish, opt for a satin or semi-gloss paint. These finishes are not only attractive but also resist dirt and are easier to clean. Timing is key. Make sure to paint when the weather is mild, ideally between 50 degrees Fahrenheit and 85 degrees Fahrenheit. Avoid painting in direct sunlight or high humidity to prevent uneven drying. With the right preparation and paint, your metal garage door can look brand new and stand up to the elements for years to come. Remember, the key to a durable finish is in the details: primer, the right paint, and the perfect conditions. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more home improvement tips.